Welcome back to another video. We're here at St Quentin's Castle in Cowbridge. Welcome explorers and history enthusiasts. Today we are delving into the rich history and captivating mysteries of St Quentin's Castle, Cowbridge. Join us as we uncover the secrets of the medieval stronghold. Probably built by English nobleman and military commander Gilbert de Clare in the early 14th century. The most notable remnants of this castle are its huge twin-towered gatehouse and high stretch of curtain wall on the north of the site. In the centre of what was once a large fortress is an earthen mound with the remains of a thick-walled building on top of it, which may be all that's left of an earlier keep. In 1245, Richard de Clare seized large areas of this part of Glamorganshire, from Cowbridge to Llanblethian, but it was his grandson, Earl Gilbert de Clare, who began to build the stone structure of St Quentin's Castle, which stands today. This was thought to have been roughly after 1307, but Gilbert de Clare was killed in the Battle of Bannockburn in 1314 before the castle was completed. Modern historians believe that the lack of inner courtyard buildings and the weakness of the curtain wall points to the fact that the castle was never fully completed. The castle was later used as a prison and was reported as being in a ruinous state by 1741. The castle's strategic location on Cowbridge Hill provided a panoramic view of the surrounding countryside, making it an ideal spot for monitoring enemy movements. Historical records suggest that it played a crucial role during the reign of Edward I. Here are the remnants of what was once a formidable fortress. Through time has taken its toll, the stories embedded in these stones remain as vivid as ever. St Quintins Castle is a remarkable example of medieval architecture. Despite its current state, the remaining structures offer valuable insights into the construction techniques and lifestyles of the period. Like many ancient sites, St Quintins Castle is shrouded in legends. Some say it is haunted by the ghost of a Welsh noblewoman, while others speak of hidden treasures buried beneath the ruins. Whether truth or myth, these stories add a layer of mystique to this already fascinating site. St Quintins Castle is more than just a relic of the past. It's a testament of the rich history and enduring spirit of this region. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more historical explorations. Until next time, keep exploring. And that's it. St Quintins Castle, Cowbridge, South Wales.